Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use Omlet Arcade. Well, the Omlet Arcade server closed on June 30, 2023. Due to this situation, although the app still works, it is impossible to stream anything or create new accounts. However, in the events that the server reopen, here is a tutorial on how to use Omlet Arcade. Well, Omlet Arcade was a popular platform for mobile game streaming. To get started, download the app from your respective app store. Once installed, click on it. Create an account or log in using existing credentials. Then navigate through the user-friendly interface to explore features such as live streaming, screen recording, and socializing with other gamers. To begin streaming, select the game you want to play and customize your broadcast settings. You can add overlays, facecam, and engage with your audience through live chat. And that's how to use Omlet Arcade. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.